Welcome back, YouTube. I'm here with Lunchtime Motivationals again. I'm on lunch now, and today's topic, the past two videos, we'll talk about how to pay bills. Today, we'll talk about how to make some money fast. And there's, I think, 3 or 4 ways that you can make money today. The first way would be, which I think is pretty cool, drive for Uber. I drive for Uber on weekends sometimes, and it's pretty easy money. I mean, you just pick somebody up and drop them off. That's all you really have to do. You don't have to do anything more than that. I mean, the phone app will tell you where to pick them up. It will tell you where to drop them off. And I've never met nobody crazy before. I've drove Uber for over a year. So I never met nobody crazy. I met people who talk a lot, but I never met anybody who was like nuts or crazy. So Uber is a good way to make money fast, and also if you make a certain amount of Uber, you write off your oil changes, your tires, your gas, you write all that stuff off your taxes as well. So I mean, you're going to need oil change anyway, you're going to need to get gas anyway, you're going to need to buy new tires anyway. Why not do Uber, make some extra money, and get them things you get anyway written off your taxes? The second way you make money quick, which will be to cut people's grass. In my neighborhood, there's some young adults, teenage boys, who come to our home and ask to cut our grass or wash our car. And we'll let them do it a couple of times. I usually cut it sometimes, or I have another guy who cuts it, and he'll cut. The guy who cuts our yard, he charges $40 or $50, and then he'll got the neighbor across the street from us. He might charge her the same, so he'll make $80 in 3 hours of cutting grass. So he make 80 quick bucks that fast and that easy. And the kids that come to our house, I pay them $40, and they'll cut our grass, or they'll wash our cars for $10. They'll take a bucket and have some soap and some tire shine, and hey, can you fill this bucket up? Can I wash your car for like $10, $20? And we usually let them do it, and they'll come once a week on weekends, on Saturdays, to wash our cars. So that's pretty neat. And they make money. I mean, if you get 10 cars to make $100, and it don't take them long to wash a car. It might take them 30 to 35, 40 minutes to wash a car. So you can imagine most people will do something like that if you wash it in their yard, because they don't have to go to the car, they have to get in the car, drive it, do it themselves, or pay somebody X amount of money. You make $100 and he'll make $100 in no time. All right, another way to make money is to sell things on Let Go. Anything that's in your home now that is just sitting there and not doing anything, put on Let Go and try to sell it. Try to sell it and get some money from it. That's another way to make some money. I have some bowling balls that I do not use, and I need to sell them. I need to put up there, I have 3 bowling balls. I'll probably put up there for like $200. Somebody might shoot me $150. I might sell it for $150, but that's $150 in my pocket that I didn't have that same day. So cutting grass, washing cars. If you're cutting grass, you can always, cut your neighbor's lawn or cut the person beside you's lawn for cheaper than what the rate is. So you could cut it for $20. You can wash people's car for $10, $20. I mean, if you cut in my house, hey, I wash your car for $20, I'll probably do it. I'll probably do it. It looks nice. I'll probably do it. I'll probably get it done every week, because $20, I don't have to do it myself or pay somebody $100 to do it. That's cool too. So those are some ways you make some quick money. Cutting grass, try Uber, try selling stuff online, try washing cars, try to get rid of things at your house, have a garage sale, yard sale. This is just fast ways to make money fast, and then you could put that money towards bad debt, which is loans, car loans, student loans, small mortgages, personal loans. If you owe somebody some money, you could go towards that. So today is just how to make some quick money fast. If I had to pick one way to make money, it would be Uber. Because Uber, you could do it whenever you want. You could do it 2, 3 in the morning. You could do it 8 o'clock in the morning. A secret about Uber, if you do it Friday night, Saturday night, Thursday, Friday, Saturday night, you could probably make the most money. the weekends usually have events in the city, and then those events, people don't want to drive. People want to take an Uber, so you can make some really good money that way. Quick money. I mean, back-to-back money. You can drop them off, and then let's say it's at 5 o'clock, get there around 4:30, and people need to ride back to their house. You're making more money. So I like the Uber way. I like the Let Go way, trying to put things on Let Go or offer up, I believe, and then sell it. Now, my wife put a couch. We bought a new couch, and she put up on I think offer up, I believe, and like the lady came and got it in 2 hours later. I mean, it's like really fast. It's really fast. So these are some ways to make some extra money, some extra income. I hope you like this video. Let's think of something you can do now. You know, to make money, you gotta do something. That's it. You gotta do something. You gotta make something. You gotta sell something. You gotta do something for somebody else. Something that anybody can wash a car. Anybody can drive Uber. Anybody can cut grass. Cutting grass is not hard. We're coming into near the end of winter, into the spring. Pretty soon, a month from now, grass will start growing, and then the lawn business will start picking up really fast. So this is some tips to make some quick money. My next video, I'm gonna talk about why you need to have a blog. Why you need to have a blog, how much it costs, and why you need one. This is Tyrone from the xking.com. Give me a thumbs up if you like that video, subscribe to my channel, and see you next time.